So one of the things when you're throwing the Berkley Finisher, which I am today, a size number 7, is really paying attention to throughout the year the different cadences that you want to fish with this. Now obviously in the summer months, just like you would with almost any presentation, you can be a little bit more aggressive with your action, with your cadence. You know, you might pop this bait a little bit harder, but we're dealing with really turnover time frame, okay? Early fall, we're having some really cold nights right now, but let me kind of show you how I've been working this. And as it gets colder, you've got to pay attention to kind of slowing the cadence down. And really all you're doing is you're almost just working it in place with little hops like this. And what that does with the bait is it forces the finisher to almost like walk the dog. And it keeps that bait up above that fish right in their face. So even though it's dirty water, they're able to key in on it and stay on it. Just those short little pops to get that bait moving slowly side to side, keeping it right in the face of that fish. It's going to put a lot of fish in the boat as the water starts cooling down if you're going to use a glide bait like this.